This is round 15. On this round, all the cables are in pairs. They've come together and they're about to cross. And they're all going to cross with a C2, B2. The B means we'll hold our cable needle to the back. We're working with the main colored marl, and we purl the first stitch, and I slip 2 stitches to a cable needle, hold them in back, bring my marl to the back. I look at the colors of these stitches. They aren't in my current marl, so I'm going to slip them. And I look at the colors of the stitches on my cable needle. They aren't in my current marl, so I'm going to slip them. Those were both contrast color design stitches, so they've been slipped. Between all of the pairs of cables, we're going to purl the background stitches. So purl, purl, and once again, we have design stitches. I slip 2 to the cable needle, hold them in back. These first 2 are not in the current marl, they're slipped. These 2 are not in the current marl, they're slipped. Purl 2. I'm going to slip 2 to the cable needle and hold them in back. This purple is in the current marl, so I'm going to knit it through the back loop. The pink is in the current marl, so I'm going to knit it through the back loop. I continue just purling the background stitches and working the C2, B2 cable. Remember to look at the color of each leg of the cable independently to determine if they should be knit or slipped.